Let's draw and tell. Wow, what is that? Fire truck. Jahara, draw na. Yuhiro, you draw na.
Country made daw?
Kuya Robert, you draw na. Get your illustration board and you draw. Draw what you want when you grow up. Diba? If you like to be a doctor, draw a doctor. Draw a hospital. If you want to be a teacher, draw a school. Draw a teacher. Jahara, what did you draw, Ate Jahara? A doctor. Doctor ba yan o nurse? Doctor. O, sige, kulayan mo yan. Kulayan mo. Si Ate Gianna. Ano yan, anak? Gianna? Ano po?
Mag-draw ka na, you draw na.
Fire truck din. Gusto nyo lagi, marami sa inyo gusto maging firefighter.
Chinese.
Kaya Ivan, draw what you want when you grow up. What do you want when you grow up?
Robert!
Okay, fire truck. Sige, mag-draw ka ng fire truck. Jahara, what is that?
Yung masakit ito.
Ha?
Yung ito, doktor.
Ah, doktor. Anong ginagawa ng doktor?
Yung masakit ito.
Pag may masakit ikaw, pupunta sa doktor. Nagche-check up ang doktor. Ano, Jahara? Look at teacher. Nagche-check up yung doktor. Apo, okay. Sa mga may sakit. Knowing ni Ate Adiesha. Firefighter. Sino to? Ayun yung firefighter. Ito? Fire truck. Ito? Yung house. Firehouse. Anong trabaho ng firefighter? Ano pa? Anong ang trabaho niya? Anong ginagawa ng firefighter? Okay, pag may sunog sa bahay, siya yung tatawagin para patayin yung apoy na. Okay. Kuya Banban. Hindi pa. Ano yan, anak? Ha? Fire truck din. Asan yung tubig dyan? Sabi mo kanina. Ayan, yan yung hose. Yan ang hose. Okay, yan ang hose kapag ito si Banban na pag siya ay firefighter na, pag malaki na siya. Ay, kasi ito yung bahay na nasusunog, tama? At ito yung apoy. Ha? Ganun ba, Ban? Okay, very good. Wait, hi people. Apo, maganda ka.
Robert, o yung tinatama.
Come on, come on. Come on, kids.
Kita niyo yung gawa na sa picture.
Dali, pakita kay teacher yung gawa.
Robert, like that.
Joaquin, show me your illustration book. Like that. Like that. Hold it. You hold it.
Hindi harap ko.
Okay.